The wood on wood drawer slide video from 2 weeks ago turned out to be a really popular video. And I got a lot of questions about how to make the drawers run so smooth. So of course you want to get nice fitting drawers. And if you watch the video, you know that I used 18 gauge nails as a spacer that allows the drawers to run but not tip too far forward. It's basically just enough space to let them run smoothly. And then I like to finish the inside of the cabinet. So I'll spray the inside of the cabinet with a kind of a watered down polyurethane, maybe 15 to 20% water. Spray it down. That does two things. It seals the wood so it doesn't absorb more moisture from the atmosphere. It also pops the grain. And if you've ever sprayed something with a water-based finish and it pops the grain, and then when you sand it, you know how smooth it gets. So that's what I'm going for. I have a very smooth finish now on this wood. And so that's basically step one. And the next one is so simple. It's just using candle wax. So I'll take the drawer. Let me move the camera over here. This is just a common candle. I'll rub it along the top of the drawer rail, on the sides, and on the bottom. Maybe a little on the sides of the drawer too. I'm going to do the same thing on the inside of the cabinet. Now when I put the drawer in the cabinet, every time the drawer goes out or goes in and comes out, it smooths out that wax and creates a really nice finish. So you can see how nice and smooth these work, and they're just going to get better over time. That's why I like wooden drawer slides over metal drawer slides, because these will continue to get better where often metal drawer slides will start to wear out. All right, now this cabinet is all set. I attached the top a little bit earlier, attached the base with this. It's basically a fancy dolly with the casters from the old jet sander. Before we finish here, I just want to show you this other cabinet that has wood on wood drawer slides. This is from about 3 or 4 years ago. And there's a lot of weight in this drawer. You can imagine these are the batteries for some of my cordless tools. So there's some weight there. And they work really good. I mean, it's not perfect, but pretty good. I got to say, I'm happy with that. And they're big drawers. Look how deep they are. I forget how far of a, yeah, I always make the back a little bit, I pull the back in a little bit so I can pull the drawer all the way out. There is no drawer stop on this. It looks like it does get a little sticky right about here, but all in all, pretty good. And this one's really heavy because this is all table saw blades. Okay, well, if you're one of the people who asked about fitting the drawers or what do I use to make the drawers run smoothly, it's as simple as common candle wax. So this project is done. I'm looking forward to getting it out of the shop so I can get started on something else. I'm actually painting the barn this week. I just got a new sprayer from Titan. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that. Looking forward to getting this upstairs and eventually putting the hardware on here that will finish this off, hopefully sooner versus later. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to build the furniture for your home, please visit my website at johnpeters.com for a large variety of furniture projects and plans available. From beginner to advanced woodworking projects, I'm sure you'll find a project that will match your woodworking skill level and taste in furniture. Each project has step-by-step video tutorials right here on YouTube designed to help guide you through the project and help you build something I know you'll be proud of. Thanks again, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's a great way to help me continue to make long-format project videos just like this one.